Hey everyone, I want to talk to you about this brand new form feature in Stackby. Now, Stackby forms are getting powerful by the day. And with these elements that we've added in Stackby forms, it will take your Stackby forms experience to a brand new level. So we've added 3 display elements to your Stackby forms. One is divider, images, and videos. So let's go right in. So you toggle on to your elements in Stackby. And here you will see there are 3 display elements: divider, image, and video. So I can now quickly add dividers in Stackby. Let's say if I have already created a form and I want to basically add a divider here, I can choose the divider color, the divider style, the divider height, or even add a divider label. So if I save it here, you can see that a brand new divider, very customizable, gets created right into the Stackby forms. So if I just reload this form, you will see, that divider gets launched into your forms. So now once the dividers are added, I can also choose to add an image. This could be a banner image that you want to add in the form. It could be like a QR code, that you want your users to see. Let's say if you're building, product forms or like a catalog form, that you want to display. So I can choose to add an image and I can add that image anywhere. So I can just update this image. Let's say I want to update this image and add a new image here. Yeah, so new image is added. I can change the alignment of the images, right? I can stretch it. Let's say if I want to align the image and change the max height and save it. So like a new placeholder image gets added into your form. So let's reload this into our form. So you'll see, that image gets loaded into the form. Now, let me just remove it. Now, if I want to add a video, let's say if you want to add a custom video into your form, you just have to add your YouTube video URL and that video gets launched right here. So I've already added a YouTube video URL, just save it. And you can just add a brand new video right into your forms. So in a lot of forms, people want to display or give some instructions in terms of how to fill the form or the details that they're expecting. So you can embed any sort of, YouTube videos right into your forms. So yeah, these are all the 3 different, interesting features that we've added in Stackby. So let us know what you think and how you're using, Stackby forms. So we would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Cheers. Have a nice day.